Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can disable this news and interest widget from Windows 10. As you see, I have installed Windows 10 Pro and version 22H2. So I want to disable this interest and news and interest widget. So let's get started. Just right click on the news and interest. After that, go to News and Interest tab and then click on Turn Off. This will turn off this News and Interest widget from Taskbar. If you want to enable it again, just right click on the taskbar again and then go to News and Interest and then click on Show Icon and Text. It appears again News and Interest. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.